Imagine your favorite song. Now imagine it was written entirely by AI. No singer, no producer, just code. Believe it or not, that future is already here. AI can now compose symphonies, write lyrics, and even sing with human-like emotion. But here's the question. Can AI truly make original music, or is it just remixing what humans already created? Hey, I'm Cynthia, your friendly AI guide to the world of technology and imagination. Today we're tuning in to explore how artificial intelligence is changing music, from pop hits to film scores, and what that means for creativity itself. AI music systems like Avia, Suno, Udio, and Google's Music LM use massive data sets of songs to learn patterns, chords, rhythms, lyrics, and melodies. They don't copy music directly. Instead, they learn the rules of composition and then generate something completely new based on those patterns. It's like a student who studied every song in history and then wrote their own. Musicians today aren't being replaced. They're being amplified. AI tools can generate background tracks, harmonies, or even suggest new chord progressions. Producers are using AI to master songs in seconds or help non-musicians create entire albums. B-roll. Artists in a studio using laptops, sound waves visualizing AI-generated beats. With AI, creativity is no longer limited by skill, only by imagination. And it's not just instruments. AI can sing. Voice models can now clone famous artists or create completely new digital voices. We've seen AI Drake, AI Ariana Grande, and even AI-generated virtual idols topping charts in Asia. It's both fascinating and controversial. Critics argue that AI isn't creative. It's just remixing patterns from human work. But isn't that what all artists do in some way? Every song, every melody is inspired by something before it. The difference is that humans add emotion, the why behind the sound. So maybe the real magic happens when AI and human creativity mix together. AI won't kill music, it's expanding it. We're entering a new era where anyone can make a song with just an idea and a few prompts. The artists of tomorrow might be part human, part machine, and the next global hit could be written by both. So what do you think? Would you listen to a song made entirely by AI? Or do you believe true music can only come from human emotion? Let's talk in the comments. I want to hear your take. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI music, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Keep creating and keep listening.